It's Miss Jill from the Warren-Trumbull County Public Library. Today I would like to share with you on how to make mac and cheese in a mug. So first of all, of course, you need to get permission to work in the kitchen. Then you'll need to get a mug out of the cabinet. And before you get started working with the food, you will need to make sure you wash your hands really well. So you'll need a mug. A soup mug would be much better than a coffee cup. So the bigger the mug you have, that will work great. You will need a tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of milk. You will need a cup of macaroni. It is going to be cooked. So when you're measuring out to cook it on the stove, you need some help from an adult. You will measure out 1/2 cup of the dry because that will expand and give you 1 cup. You will then need 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. The finer the cheese, the better because it melts quicker in the microwave, but if you just have a thicker cut, that's okay. And then about 2 tablespoons separated of cheese. We'll use that later. So you're going to either butter or spray your mug. Then you're going to add your 1/4 cup of milk, your tablespoon of butter, and your 1/2 cup of cheese. You're going to give it a stir, and then you will put it in the microwave for about a minute. After you put the milk, the cheese, and the butter in your mug and stir it around, you will put it in the microwave for about a minute. After a minute, you're going to take a peek and make sure the cheese has melted. And if you use that fine cheese, everything should be melted. Then you're going to take your 1 cup of macaroni and carefully put it into the mug. And then you're going to toss the melted cheese all around the macaronis. And I don't know about you, but I like a lot of cheese on my mac and cheese. So then you're going to take your 2 tablespoons, dump it on top, put it back in the microwave, probably only for about 30 seconds. Not too long or you'll burn your cheese. Wait patiently. All right, now we'll take a peek. And your cheese should be melted. It's not quite melted, so I'm going to put it in just for about 30 more seconds. After the 30 more seconds, you'll take a peek. It should all be nice and melted. And as you can see, our mixture is boiling. That means it's very, very hot. So you're going to want to not try a bite yet. Set it aside. You can certainly eat out of the mug, but if you want it to cool a little bit faster and you can't wait, you can dump it on a plate and spread the macaroni out to help it cool quicker. But make sure you blow on it before you take a bite. Enjoy.